Invotech Labs, IT service provider.
First click on Group Grabber option. Then select WhatsApp and click on Start button. This app requires ability to send messages to WhatsApp automatically for you. To achieve this, the app needs to be granted accessibility permission. To enable the permission, navigate to accessibility settings, then installed services, then look for the app WhatsPromo and toggle it on. If this setting already enabled for this app, please turn it off and re-enable it again. Click Start button again, and select the WhatsApp group whose contacts you want. Then after clicking on View All, the contacts will start automatically grabbing. You can see automatically grabbing contacts on mobile screen. Now go to WhatsPromo app again. Look, all group contacts were grabbed. If you want to import contacts in old group, then click on this icon and select Group. To create new group, click on this button. Then enter group name and click on Save button. Then click on Import button. All contacts imported successfully in WhatsPromo group. You can check Groups and Campaigns option, and now you can send bulk message to these contacts. Thanks for watching video. Don't forget to like and share this video, and subscribe Invotech Labs channel.